Do you ever lie awake worrying about bills, future plans, or what your bank balance will look like next month? You're not broken. You were just never taught how money changes when technology changes. Subscribe and hit the bell now. This channel teaches practical, modern financial literacy. Small steps you can actually take to improve your life. Watch this whole video, and I promise you, I'll leave with at least one real AI side hustle you can start this week. Close your eyes for a second and imagine checking your phone one morning to find money you didn't eat to have the night before. Not a miracle, a tiny steady stream from a simple project you started in your spare time. Now open your eyes. That can be real. I'm not talking about overnight millionaires or risky bets. I'm talking about normal people, parents, students, baristas, office workers, who used easy AI tools to build side income, pay off debt, or start saving for something they thought was impossible. Here's the part that matters. The tools the big companies use are now in your hands. The gap that used to require coding or expensive teams is collapsing. But most people still treat AI like a scary buzzword. That's the missed opportunity. If you watch the next few minutes and actually do one small thing I show you, your odds of seeing a real result this month jump dramatically. Stay with me, because I'll give you 7 beginner-friendly AI side hustles, each with one immediate action you can take right now. Pick one, do it, and come back to tell me your result. This isn't theory. It's a practical blueprint for people who want change without the drama. This video will be blunt. No fluff, no hype. I'll show what works for beginners, how to start for almost zero cost, and what to expect in the first 30 days. First up, AI-assisted writing. Businesses and creators always need concise, helpful content, product descriptions, short guides, email copy. With AI, you can draft content fast and polish it for clients. You don't need to be a professional writer. You just need a clean voice and the willingness to edit. Here's your action for today. Pick one niche you know well, like gardening, budgeting, or pet care. Use an AI writing assistant to draft a 700 to 900 word guide. Format it as a simple PDF and list it as a $7 digital download, or pitch it on a freelance site. Second, AI image design plus print on demand. Want to sell merch without design skills? AI image generators let you create clean, trendy artwork in minutes. Just upload it to a print on demand store and you're in business. Early sellers are already earning small but steady sales, and you only need a few winning designs to get started. Your action today: create 3 designs for shirts or mugs around a clear theme, open a free print-on-demand store, and upload them. Third, micro video creation and repurposing. Short-form video is attention gold right now. You can use AI editors to turn simple text or long videos into viral short clips. Brands and creators will pay you to create this short content for them, or you can post it on your own channel and monetize it later. Your action for today: record 60 seconds of useful advice or a personal story, run it through an AI editing tool to add captions and a thumbnail, and publish it as a short. Number 4, AI voiceovers and narration. Professional voices used to cost a lot of time and money. Now, AI narration tools can produce quality voiceovers for ads, e-learning content, and audiobooks. You can offer quick, affordable narration services to other creators, or even make your own audio content to sell. Your action today: create a 60-second sample voiceover using an AI voice tool and post it as a gig on a freelance platform. Fifth is microtasks and AI feedback. Some platforms will actually pay you to test and rate AI outputs. It's small money, but it's low effort and a fast way to learn how these models behave. Think of it as getting paid to practice. Your action today: sign up to one microtask platform, complete the first test, and treat it like learning that comes with a little pocket change. Sixth on the list is local business automations. Small businesses will gladly pay you to save them time. You can use low-code tools to set up booking reminders, simple chatbots, or e-commerce automations that reduce human work and increase sales. You don't need to be a developer, you just need curiosity and a simple template. Your action today: find one local shop, propose a single automation like appointment reminders, and offer them a short free trial to prove its value. And number 7, package and teach. Use AI to quickly draft mini courses, templates, and checklists. People will pay for step-by-step help. If you know one thing well, package it into a short course and sell it. Your action today: outline a 30 to 60 minute mini course in 5 bullet lessons, and then use AI to draft the very first lesson. Now, if you want to see real results, you need to adopt 2 tiny habits. First, ship one small thing every single day, even if it's imperfect. A tiny visible result always beats perfect planning. Second, track one metric, whether it's clicks, views, or a single sale. If one design or video performs well, double down and make more versions just like it. Let's be honest, most people won't replace a full-time income overnight. But beginners can definitely earn quick wins, like $20 to $200 in the first few weeks, and then scale from there. The difference between people who succeed and those who don't is consistency and the willingness to iterate. If you've watched this far, you've already given yourself an advantage. Now do the simplest thing. Pause this video, pick one of the 7 Action Today tasks, and complete it right now. Come back and finish the video, then post your result in the comments. I'll be reading them and highlighting the best progress stories. This channel exists because financial literacy shouldn't be a secret. If this video gave you even one usable idea, do 3 things for me. Like the video so more people can find it. Subscribe and hit the bell so you don't miss the next actionable guides, and share this with one person who needs a practical money boost. I'll personally pin and help the best success stories. Your small win could be the inspiration someone else needs. Thank you for watching.